Hello there. You must be the new neighbor.
Yes, I am. My name's Anna. We just moved in yesterday.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Anna. I'm Mrs. Lewis.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Lewis. Everyone seems so friendly here.
Oh, we try to be. If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
Do you like the area so far?
Yes, it's peaceful and lovely. I think we'll be happy here.
I'm sure you will. Welcome again, dear.
Thank you, Mrs. Lewis. It's nice to have such a warm welcome.
Oh, hello, Mr. Carter. You're home early today.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I just got back from work. Do you need help with your groceries?
That would be nice, thank you. These bags are a bit heavy.
No problem. You always buy so much food.
Yes, my kids eat a lot.
I understand. It's good to see you smile after a long day.
You're very kind, Mr. Carter. Thank you for helping.
Anytime, Emma. Neighbors should help each other.
That's true. Have a nice evening.
You too, Emma. Take care.
Hey, how was your morning? The bus feels colder today.
Yeah, it does. I had to grab my jacket before leaving the house.
Smart move. I left mine, now I'm freezing.
Want to share my scarf? It's big enough.
Thanks, that's kind of you. Did you finish the English homework?
I did most of it last night. You?
Not really. I got stuck on the last part.
Don't worry, we can go over it before class.
That'd be awesome. I owe you one.
No problem. That's what friends are for.
You're right. I feel better already.
How is your final thesis coming along?
It's going slowly, Professor. I feel a bit nervous.
That's normal. What part do you find most difficult?
Writing the analysis section is very hard for me.
I see. Have you tried breaking it into smaller parts?
Not really. Do you think that will help?
Yes, small steps make it easier and less stressful.
Thank you, Professor. Your advice makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Remember, I'm here to guide you.
I'll do my best and show you progress next week.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a blue jacket.
Do you want a men's or women's jacket?
A men's jacket, please.
What size do you wear?
I usually wear medium.
Great. We have some on the second floor.
Can I find them near the shoe section?
Yes, right next to the shoe section.
Do you have any discounts today?
Yes, jackets are 20% off this week.
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy shopping.
Good afternoon, Jake. Could we talk for a moment?
Of course, Mr. Brown. Is everything all right?
Well, your music was a bit loud last night. We couldn't sleep.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize it was that noisy.
It's okay. Just please keep it down next time.
I will, sir. Thank you for telling me politely.
No problem. I know you didn't mean to bother anyone.
I'll make sure it doesn't happen again.
That's good to hear. Have a nice day, Jake.
You too, Mr. Brown. Thanks again.
Yo, you guys hungry? The pizza line's crazy today.
Yeah, I saw that. I grabbed a sandwich instead. What about you?
I went for the fries. Can't go wrong with fries, right?
True, but I kinda wanted pizza. Guess I'll wait.
You always go for pizza, man. Try something new.
Yeah, like salad. It's actually good here.
Salad? Come on, I'm not ready for that life.
You should. It's healthy.
Anyway, what's after lunch? We got math, right?
Yeah, and I didn't study for the quiz.
Don't stress. We'll help you out later.
Hi. How did the client meeting go today?
It went really well. The client seemed very interested in our proposal.
That's great. Did they ask many questions?
Yes, mostly about pricing and delivery time.
How did you answer them?
I explained clearly, and they were happy with our timeline.
Excellent. Do you think they will sign the deal soon?
I believe so. They said they will confirm by next week.
Good work. I'm proud of how you handled it.
Thank you. I'm glad I could bring back good news.
Good morning, sir. Do you have a moment to talk?
Good morning. Yes, please come in. What's on your mind?
I wanted to ask about the new project. When will we start?
We will begin next Monday. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I am ready. Will I be working with the same team?
Yes, the same team. Do you feel comfortable with them?
Yes, they are great to work with. What is my main task?
You will handle the reports. Do you think you can manage it?
Yes, I can. Will you guide me if I need help?
Of course. I am always here to support you.
Thank you, sir. That makes me feel confident.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
Not now. I am just excited to start.
Excellent. I look forward to seeing your work.
My name is Mike. I am a high school student in America. Today, I feel a little sad because I must leave this school. My father got a new job in another country, so I have to meet the principal to talk about moving to a new school. Good morning, Miss Parker.
Good morning, Mike. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Is the principal in her office now?
Yes, she is in her office. Do you want to see her?
Yes, I need to talk to her.
Okay, you can go now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Mike. Please have a seat. What can I do for you?
I want to tell you that I will move to another school.
Oh, really? Why do you have to move?
My father has a new job in another country, so my family must move.
I understand. We will prepare your documents for the transfer.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You are welcome, Mike. I wish you success in your new school.
Hey, Mom, did someone turn the kitchen into a beauty salon? 'Cause you look extra fancy today.
Flattery detected. What do you need, Mr. Smooth Talker?
Busted. Can I go to Alex's house this afternoon? I promise, no rocket science this time.
What are you guys up to? Please say it doesn't involve duct tape or glitter again.
Haha, nope, just video games, snacks, and maybe a small Nerf war. You know, the quiet kind.
Uh-huh. Quiet and Nerf don't belong in the same sentence. What time will you be back?
By 6, cross my heart. I'll even wash the dishes tonight, with actual soap this time.
Wow, that's a first. All right, but one Nerf dart to the cat and you're grounded until you're 30.
Deal. Thanks, Mom. You're officially cooler than Wi-Fi.